You were hatched? Okay. All right, let's see if you guys paid attention. Class? Yes. Well, that was weak. Kermit, you're weak on that one. Now, you know what else is also weak? Having to tell people every single day. I'm like, hey, you're a grown-ass adult. Why do I still got to tell you to put your earbuds away? That's weird, right, Bob? Crazy. It's crazy. Got to tell people the same thing every day. All right, so we're going to take this example right here, and then we're going to continue so we can finish it out. Because there is a couple from the homework that you need this information to be able to finish it. So right here we have a equation of regression line. We had an R value, and we made the equation here, this y hat with the little arrow on top. This is the equation that we came up with. Now, on the next part of the example, it says that I gotta find my pen. My smart board, like, only lasts for like 5 minutes without start freaking out. So hopefully I could actually get through these notes before it freaks out more. All right. So approximate blood pressure to the nearest whole number corresponds to the age of 60. What that means is I'm going to take my y equals my 1.66x, but instead of putting x, I'm going to evaluate for 60. So in parentheses, 60 plus 72.93. I'm trying to find what this is going to correlate with. So I'm going to put this in the numworks, and I'm going to just put it into calculation. There we go. Under calculation, I'm going to go 1.66 open, 60 close, plus 72.93. Just calculate that, and it's going to be 172.53 is going to be my answer. But what is that actually if it says round to the nearest whole? 173. So that's going to give me 173 is going to be my value for this one. So when you guys get to the homework and you get to the last couple of problems where it says, all right, what is it, or estimate this, or evaluate it at this, all you have to do is the number they give you, plug it into the regression equation that you have up here. Because I believe on your questions, part B, it's going to give you, you put in the regression equation, and then I think it's part C or part D, it's going to ask for you to evaluate at a certain point. That's it. Does that sound pretty easy there? Yeah. Okay. So the last thing that goes along with this is correlation for the population. So for this one right here, we computed that the R value was 0.79 for N is 10 data points. Can we conclude that there is a positive correlation between age and blood pressure for people in their late 30s and older in the population? So, first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go back a bunch of slides. Go ahead. Here it is. This is where I go back a couple slides. Now, the question says my R value is 0.79. Let's look at my examples. My 0.79, isn't that about right about here? Right about here, isn't it? Yeah. So it's about there, isn't it? Even though that 0.79 is about 0.80, so you're estimating what we think this is going to be. So the correlation, I'm going to say, is going to be a strong positive correlation. Why is it not a strong negative correlation? It's going up, right? So my R value for my previous one was going up. So this is going to be a strong positive correlation. And we got that for having an R value of 0.079. If it was negative, that would be a strong negative correlation, right? For my R value. Does that make sense? Hopefully. Are you good there? Maybe. Good. That being said, we are not going to worry about these. These are confidence intervals for these. Okay, 95% and 97%. So don't worry about these here. Okay, we can cross out those. We're not going to worry about those here. So, that being said, guess what? We're done. Use the rest of today. 12.6 is going to be due, I believe, on Thursday. 12.6 is due Thursday. The study plan for this test is already available. And when are you taking this test? Thursday. You're taking the test on Thursday. The study plan is already out there. Okay? And everyone has something to work on. Make sure you all like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification button. Support my channel. Yep. Buy my new beanies from the store.